And the stream of the cave is there. Oh, it's so dark. Huh? Okay, cave stream. A bit of walk, and you're gonna go under the cave, in the cave, and then you're gonna go out of the cave. And we're not gonna do that today. Walk about sa kahok, muragang sagbot ang bato. Dito sa Las Vegas, baho sa tubig tingali. Anyway, there's the cave. Heading there now. Cave stream today. That's the cave. Kind of blown out. Let's lower the. And the road's really bad, sticky mud. So yeah, we're hiking to the cave stream. This is a stream, that's a cave. And yeah, I'm just gonna take some photos, see how it goes. Not an interesting vlog this season. Yep. River crossing. Shit. There's the cave. Can't go through. Have to cross that part there, which is very cold. Damn. Cave stream, right there. Tough terrain. But then. Anyway. Okay.
No, you go, you go. Balikin lang ko.
Gore-Tex shoes. Well, what do you know? Went through. It's not Gore-Tex anymore or waterproof. Oh well. Time to buy a new shoe. Not really. Okay, let's go. And that's the cave. Apparently we didn't bring any gears. We didn't bring anything. You get it through the cave and then it goes all the way up there. The exit is somewhere up there. And it's a nice adventure, but we didn't bring anything. So we're just gonna take photos of ourselves in the mouth of the cave. But yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. So we just got this day trek outfit. So no vlogs inside the cave. It smells like shit in here. Like I can smell shit everywhere. Also, there are lots of sandflies, so they kept on biting me now. We're gonna cross here. Laura. Hike back to the car. To the cave, and the exit is on the other side. I didn't read much on how deep it is, but yeah, I'm gonna show you the exit. It's like an uphill or an upward crawl into the cave. You need torches. I brought headlamps, but yeah, it's wet. So I'll not go. Let's check it out. It's the exit to the cave. Ah, nice. Yeah, it's kind of wet and a bit cold, but yeah. The stream comes from the glaciers, and it's gonna go through the cave, go to that hole. Nice. Yeah, Laura's coming over. So if you ever come to Cave Stream here at Arthur's Pass, you can just try to get some wetsuit, get some torches, get some adults to guide you who knows caving, climb the cave from there, get out there. We can't do it now, we don't have wetsuits. It's gonna be too cold for us. It's winter also, no. First day of spring, second day of spring, so yeah. These are the views of the walking path. Those are the rocks, snow-capped mountains. I'm tired. So that's the Devil's Punch Bowl Falls. I was planning to go there, but there's no snow. So I'm just gonna go there if there's snow, but as of now, there's not much snow. Snow is just up there, and the waterfall's there. So might as well just take a photo from here. It's still awesome though, yeah. It's big, it's high, cool. So it's kind of chilly up here and it's cold, but yeah, I was planning to go to that waterfall, but the thing is, it's not frozen. I'd love to see it frozen. Might just come back here in another lifetime when it's frozen, but I'm just gonna take a photo from here, so you can see that as a waterfall from there. Yeah, so we're running late. We're traveling to Mount Cook because we're gonna have our helicopter flights tomorrow. But either way, that fall's still good. But I'm not gonna go there. I'm just gonna take a photo from here. So yeah, that's it. Photos. Yeah. Notice one thing, this trip I haven't been vlogging it properly. I'm just throwing the camera in front of me and not just, unlike the Queensland trip that we had, I was really enthusiastic of vlogging and filming it. One of the things that I noticed is that, yeah, it's this trip here is like we're trying to de-stress. So we're trying to do less things and we're trying to enjoy the moment, enjoy the rest. I'm also driving. Driving for me is rest. So I wasn't vlogging a lot, and also just not a lot of spots to go, which are uber like my type of content. So we go to waterfalls, a bit of waterfalls. We go to a bit of glaciers and everything, but it's not like Queensland, wherein we had a lot of waterfalls. We're pumping it, and also it's not cold out there, so like it was easier for me. But I'm seeing my vlog now. It's gonna be all over the place. There won't be any story. Just me. I don't even document the time I wake up, the place we've been to. Like I just take a lot of photos because also I love taking photos, and I haven't been doing it in a while. So I'm trying to do a lot of photos, and the challenge now is, again, I've said it over and over again, I want to use my ORIG 100 for the photos. So it's not the best quality photo, but it's still a good camera. So I'm trying to use that as my travel camera. A small camera for where you want to go, and it's easy pocketable. You can use it in concerts and everything else. So I have my A7 III. I was planning initially to use this as my vlog camera. I have a Tamron 72-28. It's a wide lens. It's very good for vlogging, but the weight is not balanced for me. Unlike when I was using the 1DX, it was a bit balanced, solid. This one here is like flimsy, and it's I get tired holding it. I don't know if it's the camera or if it's me, but it's not balanced for vlogging. I prefer the A6500 for vlogging with a 10-18 wide lens, but a 10-18 wide lens I sold it, and now comes the A6600, which is very good, just like the A6500, but it's much better. But I sold my lens. I don't know. I want to get it. Has good battery life, but sold my lens. Might as well get the RX-7, right? RX-7, Carlo, or the Ricoh GR for photos. Yes, Sean. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. From Arthur's Pass to Mount Cook, and it's gonna be a 4 to 5 hour drive, so let's enjoy this long drive, man. And with all these nice views, of course, what can you ask for? I'd love to drive that long if the views are all these snow-capped mountains, those lakes, and those nice those nice winter trees. I was getting tied up. Tongue's getting tied up. I can't speak well. Anyway, I'm gonna go on driving now. Yeah. I'm gonna update you every hour or every time we get a rest stop. So yeah. That hole in the mountain. It's like something just fell there, like a meteor or something. Yeah, check that out. Pops, we're back. We're just passing by this time. Good.
Are we still here?
Yesterday, from the fire, see it's all burned out. Fucking so windy and so cold up here. That's the burn area as of yesterday, and went over that mountain so nobody could pass just for safety. Went at the back, so the whole thing's burned out. Yeah, there it is. Anyway, it's so windy right now and it is so cold, so I need to go back to my car right now. Ooh, damn, it's cold. Damn. Of course, because snow-capped mountains there. I'm so near. So we passed by this house here, and look at those flowers. I'm gonna open the window, Laura. Look at those flowers. They're swaying, and those oak trees. What I can see can't translate to video or photo, but
It's not oak.
huh?
Is it oak?
I didn't say oak, did I?
I thought you did. Sorry.